Fault current rating refers to the maximum amount of current that electrical service equipment such as switchgear, panel boards, or circuit breakers can safely withstand during a fault condition. It is measured in kiloohms. Understanding fault current rating is crucial because during electrical faults, like short circuits, excessive current can flow through the system. If the service equipment isn't rated for the potential fault current, it can fail, which might cause electrical fires, equipment damage, power outages, injuries, or even fatalities. To ensure safety and proper operation, electrical service equipment must be sized appropriately for the potential fault current. The fault current rating of the equipment should be equal to or greater than the maximum fault current that the system can generate. Determining the appropriate fault current rating involves a few key steps. 1. Calculate the system impedance. This means finding the total resistance and reactance of the system from the power source to the point of a potential fault. 2. Determine the maximum available fault current. This is the maximum current the system can produce under fault conditions, considering the source voltage and the system impedance. 3. Apply a safety factor. Multiply the maximum available fault current by a safety factor of typically 0.25 to 0.5 to account for potential variations in fault conditions. 4. Select equipment with a fault current rating equal to or greater than the calculated value. This makes sure the equipment can safely handle the maximum fault current and prevent failures. For example, if a system has a maximum available fault current of 20 kiloohms, the fault current rating of the electrical service equipment should be at least 25 kiloohms. That's 20 kiloohms multiplied by 0.25.